Hey guys, it's Jillian and thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me vlog with this whole photo shoot thing that you guys can check out the photos in the description link below. That's going to be posted on my Instagram. I woke up and I immediately started getting ready, so I didn't really get much footage beforehand. But right now this is what my makeup's looking like so far. I'm just going to add some lashes and probably a little bit more color to my lips. In a minute, I'm going to curl my hair, and then this is the dress that I'm wearing. If you guys want more information on the dress or the accessories, simple stuff like that, it's going to be posted in a video either right before or right after or later on my channel. I'll link it down below in the description so you can check that one out too. But basically, I'll just be saying like where I got each item and how much it was. But I'll see you guys in a second when my hair's done. So this is kind of the finalized look with the hair curled. Unfortunately, my plans kind of just got canceled because something came up with my friend and she had pushed back the time a couple hours, and I can't do that, and so we won't be doing the photo shoot today. So instead, I will just be doing the clothing haul, going over all of the outfits that I got on my shopping spree that happened yesterday, the amounts, blah blah blah, sizes, all that good stuff. So just keep watching as we get into this. So this necklace I ordered off an app called ROMWE. It was only $1 and then free shipping. So I just thought it was really cute, and it hasn't broken yet, so. So this little jean dress is just something I was really excited about when I first found it. It was $30. It was one of the only 2 items that I didn't get that was on sale that day. And to be honest, I've just been really recently obsessed with Friends again, and I just feel like it'd be something that either Monica or Phoebe, or more importantly Rachel, would have worn when they were in the city. This next dress I love. It's just a white button-up corduroy dress, just a jean dress, and it is adorable. I cannot tell you how much I love this dress. Once again, this was a $30 purchase, and it's just totally worth it because I never have any casual dresses that I genuinely adore. And this will definitely be top pick in my closet. Hopefully I just don't spill foundation or anything that's going to stain on it. That is definitely going to be my biggest struggle. But it's just so form-fitting, and it is absolutely fucking adorable. I highly suggest. So this next outfit that I just snapped into is absolutely adorable. It kind of reminds me of like a 50s teacher gone like bad, you know, the whole like hippie thing going on. That might not be the right era. It's probably definitely not. But either way, I think it's adorable. The top is so floral and just so cute, and could be paired with so many different things. However, usually because it's so cropped high, I like to wear very high-waisted things, and this jean denim skirt is just perfect for it. It's perfect for dancing. It's perfectly comfortable. The top retailed for $7 half off, and then the skirt was $10 half off, so this entire outfit wasn't more than $14. And also I feel like it accentuates my Spanish side a little bit. Who knows? Fiesta. So this next outfit that I jumped into right here is a crochet melon colored top. I think it's adorable with the tassels, and it's so form-fitting. You could wear it out to the beach in place of a beach top, anything. It's just so adorable. And these denim shorts that I'm wearing were actually found at Plato's Closet. Now these shorts were more pricier things. I believe they were $12, but they're Hollister, and I think they're a size 1, and they're so comfortable and adorable with this top. So I've just gotta say, I'm very proud of that transition, low-key. But the only thing that changed out of this outfit is the top. It's kind of like a retro, colorful, just walked out of Stranger Things mall top that could really go with anything. I definitely have a couple yellow skirts that would match really well with this, and I hopefully will be pairing it in the future. Very form-fitting, crop, perfect for the beach. Doesn't have to wear a bra with it, which is perfect because anyone who knows me knows I hate those things. But definitely a great find. It was $4 after being on sale, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now do I even gotta say it? Come on, it's a Friends shirt, and I'm obsessed, and I picked out half of these outfits because they remind me of Friends characters. But everything that the shirt says is true, and I got it off an app called ROMWE for only $3, I think, after my like discount because of my check-in points. So definitely recommend. Alright, this next shirt, really not much to say. It's just a plain, kind of reminds me of like some high knee sock shirt. It's really cute after a workout, or if you're just wearing some gym shorts out during the grocery store or whatever. It's only $2. I got it from Goodwill. You can never stop with good deals there. This jacket was also found off ROMWE. It retailed for I think $10, and it is so comfortable. I'll definitely be wearing it this winter when it gets colder. Now, this next outfit, let me tell you, I live for this outfit, all right? Definitely a lot of vibe going on here. Total badass chic. Both from Forever 21. Skirt was half off, size small, for $7 after the discount. Shirt was $14 originally. I did pay full price for this, but only because it was for the photo shoot I was supposed to be doing today until it got changed. But let me just tell you, totally bomb outfit. I will be wearing it in the future. Definitely will make a feature on my Instagram page. What can I say except I totally bought this skirt because it makes me feel like I just walked out of the movie Clueless. Alright, I'm not ashamed of that. The thing I love about this, it's plaid and it's just different. You can wear it with white, brown, tan, whatever. It goes with everything. And it's just adorable. I mean, look how well it looks. It's very form-fitted. And on to this next skirt. Very metallic-y. Let me tell you right now, I am full on going to club in this shit right here. Now, it's very form-fitting, and I did end up sweating a little bit in it, so it might make it a little uncomfortable, but it was only like $6 after the sale, and I could not resist buying it, especially with this little top right here. This top was found at Goodwill for only $3. You can't beat that. It's kind of like a sheer material, so hopefully it won't be see-through, but as far as I can tell right now, it's got plenty of coverage, and I love the double straps up at the top, and it totally vibes. This next shirt, this red one, let me tell you, I love with this skirt, which is what I would not have expected. Also, this was found at, oops, that was not supposed to be in there, but that was at Plato's Closet for $3 as well, and it was adorable, comfortable. I love that the material is different. It'll be flashy, and let's be honest, it totally goes with the skirt right here. Let's do the full circle if I can make that. There we go. I think it's adorable. It will definitely be ripping on the dance floor in this baby right here. Now this shirt right here, I love standing up and sending a message without worrying about what other people are going to think about it, and this shirt says it all. Why be racist, sexist, homophobic, or transphobic when you could just be quiet? There's so much controversy right now, and even though this particular outfit reminds me of being one of Gru's minions from Despicable Me, I cannot help but just love it and love everything that it stands for, even though it might be a little bit controversial. But it's definitely me, and I will most definitely not be afraid to wear it in public and speak my own opinion. Now this next shirt I just love. It totally gives you that heaven high above power standing. I got this shirt and both the previous shirt off Wish. They were both $3 each with standard shipping, which I think was like $2, so like $10 for them both. But it's really good quality. The mesh isn't super cheap, and I just love the design, and I've seen this a lot on different people, and I think it's really a vibe, and I really dig it. So I would definitely recommend going on Wish and purchasing some type of shirt like this. Now this next outfit, if I could have not purchased anything, it probably would have been this one, only because even though it does look kind of cute, it also looks very, very awkward, and the material is not the best quality. I bought this off ROMWE for like $4, so it wasn't a big deal. I wouldn't remake the purchase, but at least I know now. Now, I don't want to be cocky or anything, but I totally hit this sale right on the head. It is so cute. This was also from ROMWE. It was on sale at their end of summer flash sale. It was only like $6. I cannot tell you how much I love this purchase. I did order it in a medium because I was afraid the sleeves would be too small on my arms because I do have very muscular arms. But the medium fits well. The bottoms are a little big, but you can't really tell from the way they are because they're so high-waisted. But I love this bathing suit. Oh my gosh, it makes me feel like a freaking Victoria's Secret rock goddess, let me tell you. The top is so cute. It is kind of small, so I'm gonna have to make sure I watch out for it coming off or whatever, but damn, like it looks so good. I highly recommend anyone who's interested in online shopping to download the app ROMWE, ROMWE. It's a pink app. It is so good. You can earn points, and you should all go download it. They've got super cute stuff. Just make sure you read the reviews. Alright, jumping right into this next one. This was found at Goodwill. It is a size small. It was some brand that I didn't really recognize, and from the material that it feels a little bit cheaper at the bottom. It's probably an online app that someone bought for a prom or homecoming that was on a budget. But I totally respect this dress. It is so pretty. The mesh cutout in the middle is actually tan, so it's not just like pure like colorless. It is colored tan. It is adorable. It fits so well on the back for me. I got really, really lucky with this. Definitely will wear this if like my cousin has an anniversary party or something like that. But the slit up the middle gets me so excited. It's just so different. I love little additions like that that make it so unique. And I don't know, I just feel like it's my own little wedding day in it. And a girl can fantasize, can't she? This next dress, girl, just call me Senorita because this is an attention-grabbing dress. Now, funny story, I also found this at Goodwill for only like $9. It's size small. It's from Windsor, and I actually almost bought this as my prom dress for junior year, but it's very similar to my sophomore homecoming dress, and I wanted something different, so I ended up going with a more flowy dress, but this was my second choice, and I really, really loved it, and it's just so sparkly, and I feel like if I wear it clubbing or to a very like nice event, it's just gonna hit the light the right way, and bam, you're a freaking goddess in a black sequin dress. That's it, guys. That's everything. Everything I got from this haul was from either ROMWE, Goodwill, Forever 21, or Plato's Closet. Now, I'll try to do as much thorough shopping hauls as I can in the future. But for now, this is all I got. I will be coming up with a summer/August lookbook coming out, and I will be coming out with a fitness haul, like a bunch of workout clothes and a workbook haul, because there's nothing better than motivation to get you to work out than to buy workout clothes, specifically rewarding yourself because you're doing so good to get your body where you want it. Honestly, that's where I've been doing the last couple weeks. For the last 12 weeks, I've been doing a workout challenge, and I really, really, really like it. And I've actually lost 7.5 pounds on it, which is just crazy to me because I didn't feel like I had that to lose. It was just like a little bit of everywhere. But that combined with rock climbing at Vertical Adventures, and I've just seen my body slowly transform into what you guys see in this video. And maybe to other people it's like, yeah, well, she's still like, you know, her body's still pretty average. Well, like, I'm working to where I want it, and I'm really proud of it. And since I finished with cheer when I graduated high school 2 years ago, I had so many injuries, I couldn't literally sit out of bed without hurting my back in the morning. So my body's finally getting in the physical condition where I really, really, really wanted it, which is perfect and great. I'm going to be posting photos of these outfits on my Instagram sporadically as I wear them, so make sure you go follow my social media down below. It's Jillian with an extra N .tiara is my Instagram, and my Snapchat is Curlian, so make sure you go add those below in the link, and make sure you subscribe to this video and give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed my, welcome back to my channel video. So I love all of you guys for your support, and thanks for sticking around. Have a beautiful day. Bye.